Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can go ahead and set up your inventory settings. So first of all, let us go to our setting module. So I clicked on setting module. Then you need to go to your inventory segment. Now these are the list of all the inventory settings. So the very first is your store option. Here you can go ahead and add your multiple stores like in stock store or reject good stores. You need to click on add in stock store, and then after you can define a name and the address, and accordingly can use these stored in your inventory and also in your documents. Coming next, this is the setup for your barcode, where you can go ahead and define the paper, the level, and also you can go ahead and define the height and label width, what details you want to show on the barcode, print on the barcode. Unit of measurement will help you in defining the unit of measurement in your masters, and accordingly you can go ahead and map it as per the e-waybill UOM as well, so that while creating the e-waybill you may be able to go ahead and map it. Negative stock restriction is one of the setting which helps you in going ahead and defining so that your stock will not go in negative by doing some activity. So stock transfer restriction, document restriction, if suppose the stock is going in negative, system will not let you take that next action. You can activate it and deactivate it from this option. Enter into store document. As in multiple companies, the inward happens through GRN. The stock update in the inventory happens through GRN or the inward. You do have an option to select it. You can click on this and then after you can update it. Default document store. So here you can go ahead and define that which will be default store by which the outward or inward will happen. So while creating the document, this particular store will come automatically. Default approval is one of the setup which is defined in order to go ahead and make inventory approval or make inventory update auto or manual. So what difference will it make? So suppose if any inward or outward is happening, if it is on auto, the stock will get deducted or added automatically. Suppose if it is on manual, so in that case you need to go ahead and approve it in the inventory approval. So this is how you can go ahead and define the masters, and accordingly the system will run. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your inventory setting. Have a good day ahead.